Hi friends, in today's video, let us decode the facts about fasting. Before we go into the video, this would be our sole duty to clear that we are not against to any religion, caste or any type of bias. Humanity is the only supreme power and basic quality everyone should possess, and we believe in it. From now on, we will be sharing the real hidden secrets and wouldn't hesitate to share any of the foul practices followed in this society which are really affecting thousands of lives. Hi friends, this is Pawan and welcome to our channel Why. Fasting is a practice done in every religion as a devotion to the god. Like Hinduism has Ekadashis and different days of week for a specified god. Muslims fast during Ramzan. Christians, Buddhism and several other religions do practice on the auspicious events. There might be really a great hidden reality and usage of this as almost every religion practices it. Today we would share the benefits of fasting and hidden facts about it. The first hidden benefit. As you all know, we cannot run a machine 24/7, 365 days. Every machine should have some relaxation time to perform its function smoothly. Human is also a type of machine and needs some rest too. Fasting is an act of resting stomach and digestive system. The second hidden benefit. As we all know that stomach is capable of producing powerful enzymes and digestive fluids containing acids like hydrochloric acid, HCl, potassium chloride, KCl and sodium chloride, NaCl, etc. to digest the food and break it into molecular compositions. Fasting helps to detoxify the stomach and digestive system. When you do fasting, your body starts eating into fat reserves to create energy. It will also burn away any harmful toxins that might be present in fat deposits. This body cleanse will leave a healthy blank slate behind and is a perfect stepping stone to a consistently healthy lifestyle. The third hidden benefit. Fasting helps in lowering of cholesterol and lowering of systolic blood pressure. The fourth hidden benefit. Everyone would be aware of Ramadan fasting. In fact, it would be an ideal recommendation for treatment of mild to moderate, stable, non-insulin diabetes and obesity. The fifth benefit. Fasting is the way to control your senses and to improve your concentration and work. And there is also a practice of fasting on Ekadashi. We have come across this scientific reason in 7th class itself, but might not be noticed. We all know that tidal waves in sea are also caused by moon gravitational pull. On Ekadashi days, moon in its orbit will be in such a position where its gravitational force effect has higher impact rather than on remaining days. As our body is filled with 80% of fluids, so there is a minor chance of influence of moon's gravitational pull. This is the reason why we do fasting on Ekadashi. Fasting on Ekadashi helps to maintain a natural flow of fluids in the body and helps to maintain good health and a peaceful mind. Scientifically, fasting also helps to improve the functions of digestion, respiration and circulation. Friends, hope you all came to know that the real reason behind this auspicious traditional follow. All these facts were clearly mentioned in Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita. The saddest thing is that ignoring all these facts, the elders usually say fasting helps to impress Almighty and get His blessings, which would really not cope up with this generation. Rather, they should say it's a practice of making yourself pure, not to impress Almighty, and a way to improve concentration. Friends, according to our point of view, it is up to oneself to decide on practicing fasting. But at least once in a year would be really preferable to experience its power. Key points to know before winding up. Never push yourself towards fasting if you are sick, pregnant lady, small kids, too old persons. But this fasting has no meaning if you eat excess in name of prasad or fruits. Special tip for the day. Friends, if you really believe in God or special power or no belief and practicing this fasting for your own health, you can donate your fasting day food to the needy, which would really impress the special one. And you will experience a great self-satisfaction. Hope you like the content in the video. Please do support us by like, share and subscribe.